Myndbend is built to streamline common Zendesk processes. Let's dive into a couple practical use cases to show you how the app works. Say you're bringing on a new hire. Typically, onboarding a new employee includes several tasks, like getting them to sign paperwork, providing a desk, setting up a laptop, and so on. Now, we could create separate tickets for each of these tasks in Zendesk, manually assigning and tracking each ticket, following up with multiple departments, checking in with a new hire. Or we could use a new hire ticket template we created with Myndbend. We create a single ticket with the new hire's information, enter notes about what resources they need, and Myndbend automatically creates and assigns all the necessary child tickets. HR gets a notification to file paperwork via one child ticket, IT gets a notification to prep a laptop through another child ticket, and the employee gets login credentials for software platforms via another child ticket. And all of this is tied back to our new hire parent ticket, with important info being synced back and forth between both parent and child tickets. If I click here, I can see all of the parent and child tickets and click into each for more info. When all the child tickets are solved, I have a trigger that automatically marks the parent ticket as solved. With just a couple clicks, we can generate and assign dozens of child and grandchild tickets across departments, and all of that rolls up into a single parent ticket for our common new hire process. Our ticket templates are fully customizable to suit your workflow, and you can use them with Zendesk placeholders, macros, and triggers. Let's look at another quick use case for IT change management. We have a new ticket request to update database passwords. The request includes information about the departments that need to be involved, reasons for the change, and any other necessary documentation we require. The first thing we need to do is get a couple approvals for the ticket to move forward. With Myndbend, we can create approval groups and set a minimum threshold of required approvers before certain tickets can proceed. In this case, we have 3 approval groups set up, and our ticket needs at least 2 approvals. As soon as the ticket is submitted, these approvers get an email notification that there's been a change request. They can choose to approve, deny, or review the request. Approve and deny are self-explanatory and are logged once selected, so there's always an auditable trail that shows who approved what and when. If an approver selects review, it takes them to a separate page where they can review the full ticket in detail and add comments or questions. After the ticket gets initial approval, child tickets are automatically generated and routed to the relevant teams, and you can see that the change status is updated to change implementation. The database administration team gets relevant info from the parent ticket, and they can perform the required actions and solve the ticket. The same is true for the web development team. During this process, admins can track all pending approvals with their own approval dashboard. They can see the approver, status, when they were added to the ticket, and more. Once the child tickets are all marked solved, that changes the status of the parent ticket to implementation complete. During this final stage, the change manager, Mike Harold in this case, is automatically added as an approver to sign off on the changes. One important thing to mention, you'll notice Myndbend generates and manages several ticket tags. These tags can be used to sort and filter your tickets with views, create specific reports in Zendesk Explore, and run events with Zendesk triggers, like closing a parent ticket when all child tickets are solved, or automatically emailing certain users when a ticket is denied. Myndbend allows you to create and route unlimited child tickets, and customize approvals to fit your process requirements. We've been a Zendesk partner since 2009, and we've built our process manager to suit enterprise workflows. With SOC 2 compliance, comprehensive onboarding, and ongoing support from our world-class process consultants, we guarantee we can save your team time, money, and hassle. Find our app on the Zendesk Marketplace to get started today.